Hi friends, today I am going to share with you a quick and nutritious breakfast recipe poha made of red rice. It aids in weight loss and since it is made of rice, it is easily digestible. Poha could be made in many ways, suiting one's taste and preferences. To keep the recipe basic and simple, I have added onion and potato. You could either omit adding it or add vegetables of your choice. Also, I have used red rice poha, a slight variation to the regular one. The history of making poha could be traced back to the city of Nagpur in Maharashtra, where it was first made in the farmer community so that the women could easily prepare a wholesome breakfast before their husbands left for work. As time passed, the recipe gained much popularity with every region having its own version. The process of making poha is quite interesting, which involves a few steps. It would first start by 1. Dehusking, 2. Parboiling the rice, 3. Drying, 4. Roasting, and then finally flattening the rice with rollers. Please do comment on how you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.